Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making spiced pumpkin Halloween cake. The first thing I'm going to do is combine self-raising flour, some bicarb of soda and my spices, nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon and cloves. Into a second bowl I'm going to add caster sugar, soft light brown sugar, pumpkin puree, vegetable oil, milk, two eggs, and vanilla extract. And mix it together using a wooden spoon. I'm now going to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients and whisk until it's well combined. I have used an 8-inch cake tin. You can either oil your tin or put greaseproof paper around the side. I'm now going to add my pumpkin spice mixture into my tin. I have preheated my fan oven to 160 degrees. I'm going to bake my cake for 30 minutes in the centre of the oven or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. To make my pureed pumpkin, used a normal pumpkin that you would carve at Halloween and cut the top and the bottom of the pumpkin. I then peeled the pumpkin and cut it open. I scraped out all the seeds in the middle of the pumpkin. I then cut my pumpkin into cubes and put it into a dish that can be steamed and placed a little water in the bottom. I then cooked my pumpkin in the microwave for 5 minutes. The pumpkin should be soft and tender. I then placed it into a blender and whizzed it up until it made a smooth puree. The first thing I'm going to do is beat together butter, and some cream cheese. I'm now going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally orange food colouring. Now I'm going to ice my cake. You can decorate the top of your cake however you like. I'm going to be using icing pens and sprinkles. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.